Okay, let's get started. I'll start by reading you a summary of the first two paragraphs of the consent form that is in front of you. Go ahead and turn it over. This mock research study / educational exercise will measure your ability to identify key details in video clips. After reading and signing this document, you will be shown several short video clips of athletes playing basketball. You will be asked to make judgments about the events and details you see in the videos. Then you will be asked to complete 2 short surveys telling us about yourself and your experiences. When you've completed watching the videos and the surveys, the study will be finished and you will be debriefed. Then you will be free to go. Okay, the rest is just standard consent form language that you can look over. Let me know when you are done reading.
I'm done reading.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, let's get your signature on the form and put it to the side. The folder and the computer in front of you contain the materials for the study. I'll let you know when to look at them. The procedure is quite simple. In a moment, I'll ask you to watch a series of video clips showing athletes trying to score points in a basketball game. In each video, the athlete is shown going through the motions of a basketball play, then the video stops right before the play is complete. Your task is to watch and decide how each video clip ended up. Did the player wind up shooting the ball into the basket, or did the player fake the shot and pass the ball to another player instead? Finally, you will need to decide on how confident you are in each of your answers. You will watch 20 video clips in total. Each video clip will be shown twice. After each video clip, you will have a few moments to make a decision. You will indicate a new decision by completing the answer sheet. Remember, your goal is to pay attention to the details of each video clip. First, decide if the player in the clip ended up shooting the basketball or ended up faking the shot and passing the ball to someone else. Then decide how confident you are. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to play the first video clip now. Then I will pause it so you have time to answer. Now that you saw the first video, decide if the basketball player ended up shooting the ball or ended up faking the shot and passing the ball to someone else. Then decide on how confident you are in your answer. I will now show you the next clip. Okay, now you know how to do them. Now let's do the rest of them the same way. I'll show you the next. Okay, let's move on. Now we'd like to get some information about who you are. Please answer the questions on this survey as best as you can. Don't skip any and don't overthink your response. Answer with your first gut reaction. Okay, let's move on. Now we'd like to get some information about your past experiences. Please answer the questions on this survey as best as you can. Don't skip any and don't overthink your responses. Answer with your first gut reaction. Here is a sheet of paper describing the purposes of this research. Please don't talk to any other participants about this study. It is best for each person to do it without any expectations of what it involves. Do you have any questions about this experiment?
Nope, no, I think I'm good.
Okay, that's it.